Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about repairing your credit. Yay, let's fix it! So, how are you going to do that? The first thing you're going to do is that you are going to get a copy of your credit report. Okay, so here we've got our 3 credit reporting agencies. We have TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Okay, I will put the links to all 3 of these credit repositories in the bottom of in the links at the bottom of this video. Okay, so by law we are allowed a free copy of our credit report every 12 months. So you want to contact all 3 credit repositories to get a copy of your report from each to see if there's consistency between the 3. Okay, review the information for accuracy. If the information is correct and you see that your credit is awful, because sometimes it is, you need to start right away to repair that. Why? Because you want to start showing that you are capable of change and that change is going to be positive. So start paying your installment loans on time and your credit card bills on time. If you have revolving credit, pay more than the minimum payment. Okay, so you have a minimum monthly payment that they're going to ask for. You want to start paying more than that and start whittling down those balances. Okay, because if you have a lot of balances on your credit cards, that's going to absolutely affect your FICO score. Okay, start establishing positive payment patterns. Okay, you've got a computer that's looking at your credit. And computers love looking at patterns. And if all of a sudden you go from having really bad and then all of a sudden you start being positive, then that's going to absolutely have a positive impact on your FICO score. And that's what we want. We want positiveness around you and more importantly around your FICO score. So do that, okay? So close any accounts that you no longer need. You know what? That one store that you went in the mall and they're like, oh, sign up for a credit card and you're going to get 10% off. And you're like, okay, 10% off. You haven't used that card since you got that one discount. Close up that account. Close it. You don't need it. And then chop up the card in your purse or at home or in your wallet. Just chop up that card. You don't need it. But make sure you also contact that credit card company and call them up on the phone and say, I'm closing this. And then, so this way it will then reflect on your credit report. Okay. Don't open up any new accounts. I cannot stress this enough. If your credit's awful and you want to get a mortgage eventually, don't go and buy a motorcycle. Don't. You're going to buy a house and it's going to show up on your credit report and everyone's going to go crazy. So just don't do it. I beg of you, don't do it. Okay, so remember, there is no quick fix for negative but accurate items on your credit report. That includes late payments, that includes delinquencies, foreclosures, bankruptcies. All of those items will show up and there is no quick fix. That's why you have to start establishing positive payment patterns, okay? If you find discrepancies, and those discrepancies could include that your credit is mixed up with another person, like a family member with a similar name to yours. That's one form of discrepancy, but another is like, hey, I didn't open this account. You can have some bad guy who is actually committing fraud and has stolen your identity and is going to use your good credit for their bad purposes. So if that is the case, I cannot stress this enough. Immediately and in writing, inform the credit bureaus of the error and include the following 5 items. 1, a clear identification of the dispute. Okay, clearly identify it. 2, why are you disputing it? Write that down and answer it. 3, provide all supporting documents that you may have. 4, request to delete, remove, or correct all errors. Okay? Send this correspondence by mail. Okay? You want it certified. It has to be certified mail. Don't just toss it in. You need a record for your records. Okay? So you need that. check with the other two credit agencies also to see if the bad credit is also being shown on in their records. Okay, so by law, the credit reporting agencies are required to investigate all claims. It should take about 30 days. Okay, so knowing in review, knowing your FICO score and your credit history will absolutely benefit you in renting an apartment, opening up a credit card, getting a car loan, and also getting a mortgage. Okay, the better your credit score, the greater options you have in getting a loan. Okay, so you've got your assignment now. Get copies of your credit reports, and again, in the comments here, I will put that in there. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a great day, and pay your bills. Okay, bye.